Hey guys, it's Luis from BFlex. Today I'm going to talk about our different types of HDV and when you should use them right after this intro. Its quick pressing time will save you a ton of time in your projects, while its low application temperature will enable you to decorate virtually any fabric you can think of. And while our Gimme 5 is the all-rounder we all want in our lives, it certainly cannot do it all. But don't worry, we have different types of vinyl for different kinds of needs. If you ever come across nylon blanks or anything that's coated or waterproof, then we recommend using our BF nylon. BF nylon is specially engineered for applications in coated nylon or similar fabrics. These are some of the materials that Gimme 5 cannot apply onto, like life vests, umbrellas, jackets, or even coolers. So whenever you have an application like this on a nylon or coated blank, you can count on BF nylon to top it out. A common issue in decorating sublimated polyester blanks like this jersey right here is the migration of pigments during wash cycles. The polyester in the blank slowly lets out sublimation dye, and the vinyl tends to absorb it, turning white letters into something else. For this scenario, we recommend using BF Subli-Stop, which is made for sports uniforms or anything made out of sublimated polyester. BF Subli-Stop has a blocking agent that prevents this dye migration during wash cycles. While our Gimme 5 offers a good amount of stretch, I think we can all agree that there's some fabrics out there like Lycra and spandex that obey no laws of physics when it comes to stretchability. In these scenarios, we recommend using BF Stretch. It's a material that can stretch about 3 times its size, and it'll be able to keep up with any fabric that you apply it to. I hope this video was helpful and it showed you that there really is a BFlex product for almost any project. From Gimme 5 to BF Stretch, we have you covered with easy to use materials that are sure to stand up the test of time. So please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified whenever we post more videos like this one. Also go to bflexamerica.com to find out more about our products and where you can purchase them.